Hi everyone, I'm going to teach you how to send an email within your Google Classroom today. So you will see I've already opened up my Google Classroom, Robison March 20. So from here, I'm going to click on People. You'll see in People the teachers, two co-teachers, and then you'll see students. So I have 4 students in this Google Classroom. So I'm going to click right here on this box, and then that'll select everybody. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to click Actions, and I'm going to say Email. It'll open up our email. Then you'll see the 4 kids that are in my class. I'm going to title this, Hey. And then I'm going to email and say, I like your name. Then I'm going to click Send. I'm going to click Send. It is sending. And that is it. That is how you email students in Google Classroom. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy, and I hope we all get back to our classrooms and back to, I guess, normal.